alive. Okay.
Summer hoop.
Summer down the road.
Boo.
Oh,
Boo.
oh.
What are you doing?
I'm marinating some chicken so we can have this one ready for tomorrow. So it's good to have this one sit overnight. Come, look at this. So I have there a combination of, you know, some spices with mustard, and I'm gonna share all the ingredients later. But first, I would like to show you first the chicken that I have in here. So I've already washed it, drained. So we have different parts. So I have this chicken, I've already cut it into two. We have some thigh and breast as well. So this is like a whole chicken, and then I just added some mixture of wings. So we have as well the leg part in here. Actually, I don't know where is it. Oh, there you go. Here it is. Yeah, so the whole chicken, I just added some parts of wings. And we have here lemon. So what I'm gonna do first, okay, let me just show you the ingredients. So come in here. Okay, this mixture is a combination of thyme, dry sage, black pepper, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder. This is cayenne pepper, dried rosemary, onion powder. Guys, I don't have the labels of the others, but I know they are onion powder and cayenne. And then you see this one, it's a Dijon mustard. And then I will mix all of this. I don't know how you will call this one. Flavorful mixture of awesomeness. I don't know. And then I'm gonna add the olive oil. So first, let's mix this one so we can drop our chicken. Okay. Okay, just mix that one like that, and then we have our lemon. Squeeze it in. Okay. So please, after squeezing this lemon, it's too hard. After squeezing this lemon, don't throw this one, because when you marinate, you will leave this one as well all together. Alright. Okay. And I'm gonna add now my olive oil. Lots of olive oil. Okay. That's enough. So guys, this is very good when you are like busy and you don't have a lot of time to cook for dinner or for lunch. So this is very good when you just prepare this one at night and let it sit on your fridge overnight. The next day it's ready for baking, for roasting. So you just have to let it sit overnight and then just pop it on your oven the next day. In that way, all these amazing flavors will incorporate to your chicken. Okay, so that's enough. So with your hands, clean hands, just take all your chicken, dump it in, you know, and then just mix this all together. This is how it's going to, this is how you have to do it, bare hands. Okay. Massage your chicken so it can absorb easily. You know, you have to help this mixture to absorb to your chicken. There you go. Now I usually do this, like bake this one with potatoes. You can just use the normal potatoes you have in supermarket, or you can buy those baby potatoes. You can peel it, or you can leave it just as it is, skin on. Just make sure you're washing your potatoes very well. Okay, so this one is good. I'm just gonna pop it into my fridge. And good night, amazing people. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Hi amazing people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last night we've marinated our chicken to our amazing flavorful mixture of everything. That's awesome. So today I'm going to show you guys the marinated chicken that has been sitting on my fridge overnight, and it's ready now for roasting. So as you see here, see that I've added the lemon as well, so you don't have to throw that. So it goes with the marination and all this chicken. I'm gonna transfer these babies to my Pyrex here, so you can pop this one into your oven. Alright, so make sure that your oven is preheated, so it's so ready now to place your chicken. Gonna show you then how it will look like after I'll arrange this one. Place my chicken in my Pyrex here. So to that, I'm gonna add our potatoes. You know, do not waste any of our flavor here. I'm just gonna toss it in. And I'm gonna add some, you know, just small pinch of pepper, some salt, season it very well, and a little bit of olive oil. It's alive. Okay. Spread it evenly. Make some space. Just spread your potatoes evenly so it won't, you know, cover your chicken. Put it on the side. There you go. And before you pop this to your oven, make sure that you will drizzle some olive oil. You know, so it won't be like dry. Just like that. And then it's ready for baking. So make sure your oven is preheated to 250 degrees Celsius and leave it there for like 20-25 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to show you once this one is cooked.
20 minutes later.
See that? So our chicken is ready, and let's try course, you can eat this one with just the potatoes, or you can also have with rice. Oh, it's too hot. I don't think I can take this one. Can you? Okay.
Just blow it.
Now you're gonna taste this one. How was it?
So good. That's it.
Is it amazing?
It's amazing.